Alright guys, well, guess it's a good time to make a video. I'm driving down the highway, freeway I should say, and the temperature gauge starts rising. So I get out, I'm looking at my belts, they're still there, but I've got coolant smell, and obviously coolant everywhere. And the best I could tell, it's coming from around this water pump somewhere. So I'm going to try to find an auto parts store, and we'll start diagnosing and seeing if it's the actual water pump. All the pulleys are free, so they are spinning, but it's definitely leaking and spewing out. So we'll go from there. Alright, I found Riley's Auto Parts. Drove the truck over here after it cooled down a little bit. After looking, I did find this. Shit, that's still hot. See it moving on me there. So hopefully, not only they have the part I need, but also hopefully I can get the tools and everything cheap enough, because I'm on a limited budget right now. Up here in Minnesota, trying to get back to Arkansas. Alright, went inside O'Reilly's, got me a little cheap $10 socket set, because for some reason I don't have my tools on me. And one time I need them. And I have the whole water pump. Looks like the drive comes on the pump itself. So and there's a gasket and everything, so that's good. So what I'll do is I'll get this old one out, I'll pop this belt off, I'll find somewhere to set the camera up, and we'll get this thing changed out right here in the parking lot. Alright, first thing to do is get this old belt off. Hopefully I can do this one-handed then. Belt off out the way. Come on, don't get stuck on there. You know what? I can leave it on there. I'm not gonna need that size. Though I might pull that, get to that nut right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one right here. I'll pull this out the way. So I'll probably take this little pulley off. I need my tool back. There we go. Look at the extension. Yep, thought it was smaller size. Yeah, there we go. Again, sorry for this video, guys. I'm trying to shoot one-handed here. See if that'll work. Need some junk tools. I don't think that's going to get it off. Boy, these things are junk. I need this size. Oh, man. Make sure I'm going the right way here. Right. Left. Oh, shit, you piece of shit. These really are some junk tools. Oh, yep, they're done. Look at that, already broke. Let me go back and side O'Reilly's here. Look at it. See if I can get this swapped out for a new one. Alright, went in. Got a little bit better. These are ultra steel, so we'll see how that. These are some pretty cheap tools also, to tell you the truth. But I guess I'm here at O'Reilly's, so if they keep breaking, we'll keep taking them back. Alright, make sure we're going the correct way here. Oh shit! Well, I don't remember tightening that much. Nope, I'm about to break it again. Shit. Bell out the way some more. Alright, well, I guess for now, let's go ahead and get to these ones. I can get to, boy. Boy, I wish I was at home with some better tools, man. These are junk. No leverage. Fuck, did I just break that piece of shit? Sure the fuck did, look at that. Split that motherfucker too. And we're back again. Alright, well, instead of buying another cheap set, they let me borrow the tools. And these look a little bit better. So hopefully this is what we need. And we'll go and get it out of here. Alright, I'm gonna set it over here. Try this again. Oh shit, boy. Hasn't been that long since I changed this, I didn't think. Oh. I just broke their little cheap ratchet. You know what? Like I said, let's get the ones out we know we can get to.
Yeah. AK. eyes low, stay rolling papers. Like Wiz, chillin', sippin' liquor, living major. Steady blowing out kush of every single flavor. Running my city like I'm the fucking mayor. Fuck a hater, let them hate. They ain't bout shit. Mad cause they bitches stuck like a glue stick. If you want it, show me my opponent. White boy ain't going, want these hands, we can throw them. Never folding, just holding and blowing sacks of that potent. Bitches choking from Doja that I be steadily rolling. Killing all competition, commission up to the ceiling. Got some millions from pushing, you scraping change from your cushions. Bitch, why you looking, see you turning your cheek? It's obvious you mad as fuck cause you ain't ballin' like me. So please believe I'm gonna exceed and just keep counting these stats. Just smoke some weed, no stems or seeds, and keep a bitch on my lap. I want the money, fuck the fame. Went from rags to riches, now I'm just doing my thing. Got my hand on the wheel, yeah, I'm gripping the grain. Screaming, fuck all the fame, just give me my change. I want the money, fuck the fame. Went from rags to riches, now I'm just doing my thing. Got my hand on the wheel, yeah, I'm gripping the grain. Screaming, fuck all the fame, just give me my change. I remember back in the day, when I started off in the game. Established in 93, brought up and raised in the A. In a broken home, disclosed, so I searched for a way to evaporate from this fate.
Clean, that's good. Just wipe it down really then. Make sure we get a good seal on the gasket. Here's the new one. As you can see, it's about the same, but there's no wobble and much tighter. The spin's not just spinning around. The pulley's not just, it's tighter. So let's look at what it looks like here. You can see this little thing here and go with this little thing here. Should line our bolts up. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's get some of these started. You know what? Let's get some of these long ones started. What you want to do is get them all about hand tight. Come back in. Tighten them all down. I don't have a torque wrench. So we're going to go some German torque. Maybe I don't know what that is. It's good and tight.
AK must have heard of me, mister, you wanna murder me. AK must have heard of me, mister, you wanna murder me. Fat raps, loud packs, break it down, yo, bitch back. Hella tats, big stacks, coming through like who's that? AK must have heard of me, mister, you wanna murder me. AK must have heard of me, mister, you wanna murder me. Fat raps, loud packs, break it down, yo, bitch back. Hella tats, big stacks, coming through like who's that? Hey, mama, see the paint the picture, come and be my Mona Lisa. Know you want me, know you need me. Shows all in your facial features, blowing loud, smoking reefer. Ho, get out, nice to meet you. School's in session, I'm the teacher, breaking longest, called a preacher, cutthroat. I'm the cleaver, gun smoke. Feel the heater, faded from the hash and diesel. Call my weed that Wiz Khalifa. In my zone, I never fold. Loaded mo's, I keep one roll. In my city, in the gritty, ain't nobody fucking with me. Speakers beating, tires screeching, kush pack reeking, haters peeping, teaching lessons, taking blessings. Pray to God send me to heaven. Get you tatted up if you wanna swing, bitch, batter up. Got your hoe by the neck like Dracula. No wonder y'all still mad at us. Fit a cap with polos, money sign my logo. Yo, bitch in my condo, and I'm going deep like Ocho. Rip the track like I'm running laps, eating good like I'm getting fat. Oh no, said who?
And this belt, and it's not in too bad a shape. Then again, like I said, hadn't been that long since I replaced it. But you look, I'm looking for like little tears in it, especially with the alternator right here. I'm gonna give myself a burr again, but it's got some burrs on it. So I can see it still has coolant on it. I'll probably go ahead and still replace it and put a new pulley in anyway. It's the same thing to do my alternator. Maybe I'll take a video of that. So let's see if I can remember how this goes. Let's get this on the crank first. Bring it around to this tensioner. So this goes out here. Nope. Now that's all off memory, so it may or may not be right. That looks about right. Let me look at my belt diagram. Never mind. I don't see one on this truck, so hopefully that's right. Alright guys, let's get this belt put back on. People gonna think I'm weird talking to myself here. Might have been a good idea to put that in front of that. Everything was good where it needs to be. Pretty loose belt there. Let's go back to the video and make sure that's the way it's supposed to be routed, because if so, I gotta buy a new belt. I think that's not the way it's supposed to be though. Alright. Stop the video and look. I see what I did. I had the belt going over here and under instead of over here and then under like this. I had it going around here and back over. Most vehicles have a belt diagram somewhere around here, so this one didn't. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and fill it up with coolant. About the cheapest antifreeze there is. Stuff's kind of expensive. I'm trying not to waste it. There goes the wind. Let's stand in front of it. I tell you, it's still pretty warm outside, so for some reason I need to. I can feel the rest of the way the water. When I get home, I can go ahead and drain it, flush it out, and refill it. Just because I don't have that much money on me. Saying it again, guys, don't leave home without your tools, and don't leave home without money. Including the water pump, all in, this is about 65 bucks. It's gonna leave me with just enough gas money to get home, hopefully. I hate credit cards, but if I have to, I'll pull one out and use it. And I'm definitely gonna need some water there. Definitely got plenty left to fill on this thing. Oh, this looks pretty good. Looks a little nasty in there. Oh, that's just sitting on there. It's not actually full. There's a bottom. It's misleading there. Alright, well, let me go fill this with water and get this filled back up. I guess I can go ahead and close it off now. I'll get it started and make sure my belt's turning fine. We'll do that on video. Can I hit the hole? No lights. Everything sounds okay. Everything's running fine. Alright, well, let's get it filled back up and get on the road. Appreciate y'all's time. And like, subscribe, comment, share.
Yeah. AK, eyes low, stay rolling papers. Like Wiz, chillin', sip.